Alright. Whoa! The principal also has a birthday hat too! Oh man, I'm liking this right now. Alright, now for -1 and then -8, I get angrier for probably you get wrong. Now we got our third notebook. Now, big old boots? I don't remember a big old boots. Since when there was a big old boots here? I don't remember that. Okay. Might as well wait for the principal to push me. It looks like he doesn't have a birthday hat because he's...
Local emergency for Los Angeles and the notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. There are multiple individuals running around the city of Los Angeles, attacking and killing anyone they see in their wake. Multiple deaths have already been reported due to this. The Los Angeles Police Department are investigating to see what's the cause of this. As a precaution, all residents in the city of Los Angeles must remain vigilant at this time. If you see an individual with a knife, run away as fast as they can and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information on this situation. Civil danger warning for Los Angeles. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. They got on their these in multiple more tests have been reported in the U.S. Bank Tower. Interstate 110 in South, Interstate 10 West, Interstate 5 South, and State Route 60 West. These individuals are females. Now have school outfits and have blood all over them. If you see a girl with a knife, do not approach it. Run away and call 911. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
Oh look, this is my Windows 10, and released in July 2015. I love it so much. What was, downgrading to Windows 8.1. No. I love Windows 10. Well, Windows 8.1 came out in August 27th, 2013 when I was 12 years old. Another one?
30 minutes later.
Downgrading to Windows 8. No, oh wait, that's...
Amber Alert. Repeat. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at a request of the Los Angeles Police Department, and as well as the National Information on Missing and Exploited Children. This is an Amber Alert for the entire state of California until further notice. As of 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a child has been abducted from its home. The child's name is Caillou Anderson, a white male, 17 years old, with small, has a black eye, has no hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a yellow shirt and blue shorts and red shoes. The abductor responsible is Ayana Aishi, a white female. 18 years old. Weighs to under 1 ounce. Weighs 197 pounds. With black hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing all school clothing. She has some butt tats all over her school uniform. She is currently driving a 2019 BMW Z4 Motorsport with California license plate 7KTK175. You see the child, the suspect, or the vehicle. Call 911 immediately. Do not approach her as she is armed. Tune to local media outlets for further information on this. Tune to KWA for further information on the situation. Evacuation is advised. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol, as well as the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and immediate evacuation orders are issued. To the girls, there's currently multiple people around in Los Angeles, I think 4 be confirmed to be the Yandere girls. In addition, trying to set off a nuclear power bomb in the Interstate 710 State Route 60 interchange. Residents in 210 with a 7-mile radius from the interchange are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, phones, important documents, and a battery-powered radio. Hand crank. No weather with you. When evacuating, tie a color down to the door or a mailbox to show stories He has safely implemented the evacuation order. Do not return home unless it is given the all clear. The bomb squad has been called in to deal with the situation. Evacuate now. Repeat, evacuate now. Stay tuned for further information on this deadly situation.
Okay, this is 13. That's 11. That's 0. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. We gotta go. We only got 3 of 7. This is gonna be low. Oh! Oh boy, is it here? Oh! How close is he? How close is he? How close is he to spanking my ass? Oh, he was far. Ah!
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or its designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming and the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, all stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNBC, Channel 4. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to the station to provide news and information to your local area. You are listening to emergency alert systems serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. All telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. And approximately noon. 9:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It has been confirmed that a nuclear bomb in State Bridge 16 and Interstate 110 interchange in California has, in fact, exploded. The explosion was so powerful it has been seen south as Tijuana, Baja California, Mexico. as far south west as Vancouver, and British Columbia, Canada, and south and east as Youngstown, Ohio. The nuclear power was spread across the following states: Nevada, Idaho, Oregon, Washington, Arizona, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Utah. All residents in these states are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain tests. It will only take a minute for the effects of fallout to spread. Nuclear food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Tune the station for your area. Stay tuned for more information on this catastrophic situation when it becomes available.
Here we go.
This is an emergency action termination. This is an all-clear message. The nuclear fallout has cleared out the area and has cleared out these states. The abducted child, Kaya Anderson, was found dead in a grassy area just off of Interstate 405. However, there is multiple damage around these states, previously mentioned in the previous alert. It may take several years to reconstruct buildings and may bring life to return to normal. You gotta thank you for your cooperation. Residents may exit their shelters. We now switch to regular programming.